While Governor DeSantis has denounced the immigration bill passed by Florida lawmakers in favor of more extreme laws, legal eagles are questioning how they'll be enforced. I'm senior reporter Emily Young, and I spoke with an immigration attorney from our area to break it all down. Indira DeMine says her phone has been ringing off the hook for the last 24 hours. She says her clients are terrified and confused.
They're afraid to go to the grocery store, to leave their homes, to take their kids to school.
We went over the so-called Trump bill and the proposed one from the governor, and she says this is the bottom line.
Most of the things on this list is outside of the scope of what a state government can do.
Like stipulations making illegal immigration a state crime, or something DeSantis wants to see in a stronger bill, expanding the state's ability to actually deport aliens.
It is not the state's business to regulate immigration. That is in the executive branch.
She says she wouldn't be surprised if the courts got involved.
Whether that be lawsuits filed or things like that to stop or block these efforts.
Right now, we can say fear is palpable with Trump's executive orders going into effect last week. We do know now that the Department of Homeland Security, as they said, can now enter, quote, sensitive spaces. Locally, that stoked fears amidst parents about ICE raids at their children's school, which DeMine says, given the correct criteria, is legal.
ICE raids should be targeted towards undocumented immigrants with outstanding orders of removal, with a warrant for their arrest, and that could be a child.
And legally, there's nothing the school districts can do to stop this. One stipulation in the legislator's bill gives city and state officials $500 million to enforce immigration policies. The legality of that one is tricky.
In the name of security for your state, depending on how the language you put it, you can say anything's legal. I'm protecting the interests of my state, so is it legal? It's up to interpretation by the court, I would say.
Right now, it's a waiting game. Will DeSantis veto the legislator's bill? Will the legislature be able to override his veto with a vote? Only time will tell. In the studio, Emily Young, Fox 4.